Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create glass handrail from scratch. At the end of this video, you will learn how you can create your own glass handrail like this. I would have copied this from this project, but I want to teach you how you can create your own. And without wasting your time, let's get started. Okay, let's open our project. This is our project, and I'm going to go to the first floor and go to architecture tab, and you will see railings. Select sketch path and save your project if you are prompted to. And I want to have my railing here. I want to have it here, and that is my railing. And let's assume I finish this and see it on the 3D. And here is the one I have, but the one I want is glass, and I will show you how to get glass now. Click on component and place a component and load family and go to railings. Click on railings and click on balusters. This is a panel I want. I want baluster panel glass with brackets. So I'm going to click on open. Okay. All the families you selected cannot be loaded. You choose family. Okay. To select this handrail, and on the type, I will first of all select 900 mm pipe vertical. And if I do that, you see that this particular one has only two handrail. One handrail at the top and another one at the lower end of it. And I am going to select this and duplicate it. I'm going to duplicate it and give it a name. Glass rail. Let's say 2. Glass rail 2. I click OK. Then I go to rail. This top one is the one that determines the height of the handrail. If I want the height of the handrail to be 900 mm, then I'm going to set this height to 900 mm. Okay, and the material, this is where I can set the material. This material is the one I have created, so I'm going to set this one to handrail and click OK. Then also this one, I also set this one to handrail and click OK. All right, then I'm going to click apply, click OK, click OK again, and you can see now that we have not have our glass yet. Let's say I go to approach view and nudge it up a little bit. If I take it up a little bit, okay, and select it again, edit type, and this time around I am going to be working on the baluster placement. The baluster are the vertical member of the handrail. So I'm going to select the baluster placement. Then you see regular baluster. I'm going to select glass panel with fixings. I'm going to select that one, and the distance from one panel to another panel is 1000 mm. You have to leave that at that. Okay, and that is the only thing you need to set there. Click OK and click OK again, and now you can see that we have our glass panel. We have our glass handrails. You can see we have our glass handrail, and there are little things to fix here. You can see that this glass is going beyond the handrail, and that is because there is nothing we can do about the length of the glass. The length of the glass are fixed at 1 meter. So anything that is, if you have something that is lower than 1 meter, is going to project. So the way we can fix this issue is we select the glass and edit it, and I go to first floor, and I'm going to select this line and drag it in a little bit. Since we have wall here, so we are going to hide part of the handrail there, and let's see whether that problem is fixed. You can see now that that problem is fixed. The glass is no longer extruding, is no longer projecting beyond the boundary of the handrails. Okay, but there is another thing that I don't like. I don't like this vertical, and if you don't like this, you can remove it. To remove it, you simply select it and click edit type, and on the baluster you select the start post to none, then middle corner post to none, and end post to none. Set all of them to none, so that the only vertical member we have are the glass panels. Okay, you can see now that the only one we have are glass panel, nothing else but glass panels. Okay, now you also see that there are spaces between the glass panels. There are spaces, and we can always fix those spaces using our modeling. So I'm going to use model in place to fix those gaps that are there, and I'm going to go to my first floor, and I'm going to model. I'm going to go to components, select model in place, and I can select glass. If I see glass, let me select glass. Let me not bother myself. Let me select casework and click OK. And extrusion I'm going to use, and I am going to model a glass here. I'll model a glass here, just at that point that we do not have glass, just to cover up. And somewhere at the end here we also need glass somewhere here, and let me clean it up and remove this. Okay, so these are my glasses, and I'm going to set the material to glass. Let me look for glass in the material, this glass, and click OK. Then click finish. Let's go to 3D so that we can, okay, you can see that it's above. We can stretch it down. Okay, we can go to elevation and fix it properly. If you have been following me along, you know how to deal well with all these model in place. Okay, so I can stretch that. I can stretch this one to the end of the. Then let me go to elevation and position it properly. Let me go to one of the elevation. Approach view can be okay. Then I am going to select this. Okay, yeah, that is that. And for this particular one, I'm going to stretch this to here, and I go to right side view, and they are all okay. I'm going to finish it. Then let's see it in 3D. Yes, we have what we want, glass everywhere covered up. Okay, then the other ones, I can select this same one, create similar, and go to my first floor and use line to draw, and draw it here and finish it. Then also using the same method, create similar, and we also have a balcony somewhere here, you remember. Okay, so I'm going to finish that, and let's see it in 3D. And okay, the glasses are on the ground floor, so I select from here and I filter, select none, select only the railings and this one, and click OK. Then make sure, okay, let me select this railing and take it to first floor and click apply. Now it has jumped to first floor. Okay, then if I select this one, I select this handrail, and you can see it's on first floor, and the height from first floor is 160. Okay, so I want it to be of the same height. I select this one, it's on first floor, the base offset should be 160. Just these are simple calculations that you do in Revit. Okay, now we have empty space somewhere here. I'm going to use a model to cover that place up. If I want to make it faster, I simply select the one we did before from here. I simply select this one, edit, and edit it again, edit extrusion, and go to first floor. You can see that while it is in editing mode now, I am going to create a glass panel somewhere here and finish it. Let's finish there, and let's go to right side view. Okay, this is my right side view. I'm going to stretch this one out a little bit, and with that I am good to go. and if you can see it in 3D, you see that it is a perfect glass handrail, very perfect glass handrail. Okay, and that is that for this particular one. Okay, this one, just set it to 160 from the first floor and click apply, and the same thing you can do here, so I'll not waste your time on that. Okay, so that is how you can create glass handrail and fix all the problems associated with glass handrails. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.